Hi friends, today we are looking at a problem where we are going to solve one equation with the two variables. The equation is x squared minus y squared equal to 357. As you can see, there are two variables. Generally, if an equation has two variables and there is only one equation, you get infinitely many solutions. But in this case, they say the variables are restricted to be natural numbers or positive integers. So in that case, you are likely to get a finite number of solutions to the given equation, and we are finding all such solutions. So to begin with, let me split the left side of the equation as x plus y multiplied by x minus y. This is a simple algebraic identity we are all familiar with, and that's equal to 357. Now the first step is to split 357 into product of two numbers. The first splitting you can write like this. The second splitting, as you know, 357 is divisible by 3. So you will have 119. Then 357 is again divisible by 7. So you will have 51. Then 357 is divisible by either 21 or 17. Yeah, 17 will easily go, 334 again. So when you divide this number by 17, the other term will be 21. So we have split 357 into product of two numbers in four different ways. Let me tell you, these are the only four ways. You cannot split 357 in any other ways. Actually, there is a method to find out the number of ways of splitting a natural number into product of two other numbers. But I don't want to go into those areas because we are basically solving this equation. I'll give you a brief outline of that method. What do we do is, let me write all the factors of 357 starting with 1, 3, 7, 17, 21, 51, 119 and then the last factor 357. Now you count the number of factors 3, 5, 7, 8. So there are totally 8 factors. You just divide that number of factors by 2. You get 4. And 4 is the number of ways of splitting 357 as product of two numbers. This is something we do in number theory. I'll cover these problems in other videos. So keep watching my videos. For that, you please subscribe to my channel and hit the bell icon to watch other videos of mine. Anyway, let's come back to the problem. We will equate, see, left side is product of two numbers and these two numbers are obviously integers. In fact, positive integers. That's what the restriction given in the problem says. And the right side also we have split up into two positive integers. So you can equate x plus y to 357 and x minus y equal to 1. Now how do you solve these two simple equations? Just add these two equations. You will get 2x, y will cancel out, and on the right side you have 358 by adding these two equations. This implies x equal to 358 divided by this 2 will brought to the right side and you have 179. So x is equal to 179. Now how do you find out y? Substitute x equal to 179 in either of these two equations. In 179 here, what do you have? 179 plus y equal to 357. This implies take 179 to the other side and you will get y as 178. You will be getting 357 minus 179, which is equal to 178. So we have found out y value also using the first splitting. Now let me use the second splitting. Equate x plus y to 119 and x minus y 3. Again, like we did before, add the two equations. You have 2x equal to 2, 2, 1. So x is equal to 122 divided by 2, which is 61. Then how do you get y? Plugging x equal to 61 here, you have 61 plus y equal to 119. And that implies y equal to 119 minus 61, which is equal to 58. So we got y value also. So we have two pairs of solutions. Let me write the solutions we have found out here. X and y. The first value 179, corresponding y value 178. Now we have found out by equating to the second splitting, x is equal to 61 and corresponding y value 58. Now let me equate x plus y to the third splitting, which is 51 and 7. X plus y equal to 51 and x minus y equal to 7. So adding 2x, I am writing x, this will be 58 and that is 2x. So they've already done, so you can easily follow this. I think you will get 29. Now plug in 29 here for x. So it will be 29 plus y equal to 51. This implies y equal to 51 minus 29, which is equal to 2. So 22. Let me write those values here, 29 and 22. This is the third pair of values. Now we will equate x plus y, x minus y to 21 and 17. So you have x plus y equal to 21, x minus y equal to 17. Adding 2x, I am writing x only. The right side will be 38 and there is a 2 here. That will come here and you will get 19. And substituting x equal to 19 here, 19 plus y equal to 21. So y is equal to 21 minus 19, 2. So we got the last pair of values of x and y. And let me substitute that in the pair I have mentioned here. So x equal to 19 and y is equal to 2. So these are the four pairs of solutions for x and y. If you like the solution, please press the like button. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.